guys, so we're going to be reading A Walk in the Woods. So with this book, I want you guys to pay very, very close attention, and we're looking for a deer. So as soon as you guys see a deer, make sure you let me know when you see it. See the sun peeking over the trees. Feel the damp earth under your feet. Listen to the birds calling overhead. Where are we? We're in a forest. Let's take a walk and see what we can find. Wild blackberries and blueberry bushes need a lot of sunlight. They grow best on the edge of the forest. Chirp, 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 call the robins. They love to eat berries. Let's follow them into the forest. We'll go where the trees grow tall. Trees, trees all around. Some are tall, some are wide. All kinds of trees grow in the forest. Feel the smooth bark of the birch tree. Rub the shaggy hickory bark. Every tree has its own kind of bark, and each has different shaped leaves. Maple leaves have 5 large points. Oak leaves have round lobes, and elm leaves have jagged edges. Pine trees do not have leaves. They have needles instead. Ouch! Be careful when you touch them. Pine needles are prickly. There's a Scotch pine, a white pine, a spruce, and a balsam fir. Pick up a pine cone. Can you see its tiny seeds? When the seeds fall to the ground, some may grow into new pine trees. All trees have seeds. Seeds are eaten by many forest animals. Watch squirrels bury acorns in the ground. If they don't come back to eat them, the acorns may become new oak trees. Have you guys seen a deer yet? I haven't. Seeds sprout roots as they begin to grow. The roots grow deep into the ground. They take in water and food from the soil. How can you tell the age of a tree? Look at the wide tree stump. A new pair of rings are added every year. The light ring grows in the spring. The dark one grows in the summer. Try to count them. About how old was this tree? Guys, do you see what I see? What's that? Is that the deer we were looking for? So exciting. When trees get too old or too sick, they die. Rat-a-tat-tat, a woodpecker is looking for insects in the bark of the dead tree. A raccoon family lives in the hollow tree trunk. Feel the moss growing on the log. Moss is a tiny plant found in the cool, moist places. Moss is a tiny plant found in... Oh, just reread that line. It feels like a soft cushion. And look at the mushrooms. They grow among rotten leaves and plants. Don't eat any. Many mushrooms are very poisonous. Crash! Bang! What's that noise? Beavers are busy cutting down trees. They are building a dam. The dam makes a deep pond where the beavers can build their lodge. The pond is home to fish, plants, and insects. These become food for other pond animals. In the forest meadow, there are no trees, but there are many bright flowers and colorful butterflies. Other creatures blend in with the colors around them. This is called camouflage. Camouflage helps creatures stay hidden. You can find the can you find the garter snake? Watch it slither through the tall grass. It is going toward the pond to find frogs, worms, and fish. Can you guys find the snake? Do you see it anywhere? Look. There's the snake. Look at the mother rabbit and her bunnies. They are looking for plants to eat. They must watch out for a hungry fox. The mother pheasant is also on the lookout. Her nest is well hidden in the tall grass. Soon her eggs will hatch. The baby pheasants will grow by eating seeds and insects. All the baby animals are bigger by summer's end. The green leaves are turning red and yellow. It is autumn. Wild nuts and fruits ripen and fall to the ground. Animals feast on these before food becomes scarce. Many birds fly south to warmer weather. Honk, honk, cry the geese as they fly by. Deep in the forest, bears get ready for their long winter sleep. In the winter, snow covers the ground. The pond freezes over. Many of the trees are bare. Only the pine trees stay green. Trees that stay green all year are called evergreens. Just a few animals come out in the winter. Can you follow these footprints across the snow? Guys, it leads to more deer. That's the animal that we said we were going to look for. Look, on this page we have 1, 2, and over here we have another deer. We just found 3 more. When spring comes again, the tree buds swell and new leaves grow. Bears come out of their dens. Birds return to build their nests. Many baby animals are born. It is the start of a new forest year. We cannot live without forests. They give us wood to build houses and furniture. We make paper from pine trees and syrup from maple trees. Trees also give us shade. You can find trees all over the world. The redwood trees in North America are the tallest trees anywhere. It is hot and humid in the rainforest of South America. These trees are home to the most different kinds of trees, plants, and animals. The pine trees in Northern Europe are used to build homes and to make paper. The teak trees are found in the forests of Asia. The lumber is used to make furniture and ships. Can you find the continent where you live? What type of trees grow there? Do you guys know what continent you live on? If you didn't know, it's right up here in North America, and that's where the tallest trees are found. What did you see on your walk in the woods? Here are some clues to help you remember. Can you name each of them? All right, guys, so what you're going to do is you can pause the video right here, and you can talk about all the different things that you saw in this book with your families at home. Thanks for reading.